Good morning, chronic care leaders. It's Meredith Dawes, owner and CEO of Compassionate Chronic Care, and also your instructor for chronic care leaders. So, what we're looking at here is the Medicare fee schedule. I've had a lot of questions on this, so I thought I'd post a quick video just to show you guys. So, what you're going to put in here, you can just put all types of information. Make sure you have the year 2022. Your code, we'll put in 99490. That is your first 20 minutes of chronic care management. And we're going to do specific locality. And that's going to tell you, what does this 99490, what do I get for that fee in New York State? So New York State's the rest of New York State. So right here, 99490. So it's going to be, I'm a non-facility. So 6221. So I hope that was helpful to you guys, this little video on how you get this pricing and how you get your specific pricing for your state. I will see you on upcoming coaching call and on Facebook. Have a great day, guys. Bye.